Hi everybody, it's Heather from Madison Children's Museum. Here is a sample of this week's Brain Builder, our ice skating penguin project. So first I got myself an ice rink, just an old pie plate, put a little snow in there, just a couple teaspoons of some salt. Here's my little penguin friend that I decorated and colored. I just printed it off the internet and I glued a little magnet onto the bottom with some hot glue. So here we go. We could put our little penguin in our little ice skating arena. And then here is my magnet. I just took the other magnet and glued it onto a popsicle stick. You can use any magnets in your house that you have. So here, and I can put my little here, and then I can pull my penguin around. And she can twirl. She can do some ice skating. This is a great activity if you have kiddos who are learning to write and practice making letters. You can practice making letters in the salt. Thanks, friends. See you next week.